How to fix the issue of USB tethering not working in Windows 7. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward your Start menu, click on Power and simply restart your device. Even after restarting your device, if your problem is not fixed, simply follow the second method. For that, open Settings application, go to System, go to Troubleshoot and click on Additional Troubleshoot. There choose the option of Windows Update and click on Run the Troubleshoot. And the last method is to simply update the USB driver. So go to Device Manager, search for USB driver, click on it and click on Update Driver. And that's it. That is how easily you can fix your issue with USB tethering not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.